Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to start this video off by showing y'all before results. Oh my god, my skin was so bad. My breakout started the end of January, and then I was doing everything under. I don't know what was going wrong. I was getting laser, I was getting peels, I was trying to go to every esthetician in my city, like oh my god. But my skin has came a long way, and y'all have noticed the 360 change, and I'm so happy quarantine happened because baby, like this just was it. Okay, so yes. Oh, look at that glass skin, baby. This is skincare routine 2020 on how I clear my skin and fade my patient. Oh my god, I'm just so excited. So let's just get into the video. Okay y'all, first things first, we gotta cleanse our face. So I use the Pan-Oxyl acne wash, and this is 10% benzoyl peroxide, and you do not want to start off by adding water cleanser. You want to just dry cleansing is basically using the cleanser without water cleanser, but you want a natural base. It's like a mask basically, and you're just breaking up the oil, breaking up all the dirt so it can come out your pores and everything. And I let this sit on my face for like a good 60 seconds, and then I go ahead and use my Clarisonic Mia 2. This is a facial brush that I've been using for years. I did take a break, and then once I started breaking out, I was like, oh hell no, like I need something more to clean my face. So I started back using the Mia Cleanser 2, and stay tuned for the end of the video because somebody is going to be winning one of these, and I don't even have the new one, so I'm a little jealous. But yes, and then I just do this for 60 seconds. And if you don't have the money to purchase a facial brush cleanser, just wash your face for 60 seconds. And also some skincare tips that I did not show throughout the video that I've been doing to help my face stay clear. I use the oil-based makeup remover. I do not use makeup wipes anymore. So I highly recommend the Dr. Bronner's Castle soap. It takes my makeup right off. And then I also use a face steamer 1 to 2 times a week. I know they have a lot on Amazon to choose from. And then also I do use a face mask 1 to 2 times a week. Preferably I use the Body Shop Himalayan one. Charcoal one is so good. If you're not new here, you know this is my ish, and I always use it to bounce my skin back. And then also I do wash my pillowcases once a week, preferably every Sunday. I switch them out. Highly recommend washing your pillowcases and sheets in general like once a week. So then I just take a disposable towelette. This is a thick towel. It's not thin at all. And I just like to use these just because they're disposable and they don't have no bacteria from like any other uses. So I just like that, and I pat dry. Then I go on with the Pixie Glow Tonic 5% glycolic acid. Glycolic acid is good for brighter skin, and it's an exfoliant. So it is always exfoliating my face, and this has really made my skin so much brighter and even on my skin tone, and I just love it. I'm never changing my toner. So then I go in with the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Peel. These are my shit, okay? So these come in 2 steps. One for exfoliant and smooth, and the other one is for anti-aging. These have changed my face. If you do not get anything from this routine, get this. This is in the extra strength. My skin is so sensitive, but this has helped me fight that bacteria that I needed to fight off, and as even on my skin tone. God, my texture has gone away. Oh my god, like this is the best ever. So then after the first wipe, I let that dry for about a good 30 seconds. And then I just go in with the second towelette, and this one is for anti-aging, and it's the neutralizer, because like the first one is like it stings, and then it just neutralizes. And these are a little pricey. They do come in 2 separate packs of like a little starter kit. Sephora has one for like $17.99 for like 5 treatments. So I would recommend starting off with that and then gradually get into the bigger one, because the bigger one is expensive for 60 treatments. But I'm telling you, this is a game changer. So invest in your skin, sis. So next I go in with the Up and Up Target brand 10% benzoyl peroxide. This has fought all those little textured bacteria bumps off my face, and I only take a little bit because I'm not breaking out. So I only use this to like maintain. I only use a little pea size. But yes, girl. And I know there are other brands with 10% benzoyl peroxide. Make sure you get 10%. But honestly, I guess Up and Up is the generic brand. I know there's other brands with the 10%, but they all work the same. So I honestly just started using this. This is the Moon Cosmetics Rose Galore, black owned. Hey now. And I just like to use this to add a little extra glow to my face. And I literally just got this. I guess it's good for like acne and even on skin tone. So, but I normally use bio oil. But I use that at night now, and that has faded all my acne marks, and y'all will see that later on. So next I go in with the Peter Thomas Roth oil-free moisturizer. I needed an oil-free moisturizer just because my skin is oily and I don't like looking greasy or anything like that, and this helps keep my face matte and still give me that moisture that I need. So I love this moisturizer, and it's like a gel base moisturizer. With the La Roche-Posay oil-free sunscreen. Sunscreen is very important, and I got this from Target, and this is a SPF of 60. You need to use the sunscreen because you don't want to be Asian in the sun, and also you don't want your dark marks to get even worse. So make sure you are using the sunscreen, and I love this one because it's not ashy looking and it's not greasy. So this was literally the perfect sunscreen for me, and I love it. Lastly, for my morning skincare routine, I add the Pixie Glow Mist. I love this because it gives me a glow. And it has argan oil in it, so it's giving me moisture as well. And I just fan that out. At nighttime in my skincare routine is the same, but I only add a retinoid to it, and this is the 0.5% retinoid, and I recommend using a retinoid on your skin. It's very beneficial. And also I did get this from my esthetician, so I'm sure you can order this online, but I know this brand you can only get from an esthetician, but all retinoids I'm sure work the same. And then also bio oil, like I said earlier, I put on my neck and my face, and this has helped me fade away those dark marks and even on my skin tone. And then I go in with the Laneige lip sleeping mask. This is my ish. I have never stopped using it since I bought it, and it's so good. Take care of my lips and everything. Oh my god. And that is it. Oh my god, my skin is looking so good. I'm so proud of it, and I'm so happy that I came across all these products, and I hope you guys enjoy. Go ahead, most of the stuff is at Target, drugstore, and then if your Sephora isn't open, you can always order. So yes, and I love y'all so much, and I'll see y'all next video.